So I've been following along on the dephemember videos that Barbara from Vienna and Luisa Heise from Austria are doing, and this is just it's just a little sample of all the things I've made. I discovered gold acrylic paint that I've been splattering. Oh, look at the sparkle. Isn't that just yummy? I don't have any of the gold wax, but I find that the gold acrylic, this is a envelope pocket, works just as well. Oh, I love these circle things. I cut those out with my zigzag scissors. I did those yesterday and they died overnight. And then this was the stars on a tag, I think. You know, for somebody who always hated making ephemera, I've really just had a blast with it. I don't do everything the two gals do. I don't have the supplies they have, but I did have this little bit of bling that I got at Joann's not too long ago. Oh, this is another one of those pocket envelopes. I did do some jelly printing, which I absolutely love doing. And then this one is made out of wax paper, and that's a cactus wren that likes our desert cholla. And then I see, that's just one of my wipe off papers. I really had fun with these large envelope pockets. This one even has a little tassel on it, and I do have a stamp with crackling. And then this one, I did not do mine winter because I'm pretty much done with winter. I want to move on to spring and botanicals. So this is the page tabs that they did. I love this one. Isn't that one adorable? And yeah, these were the circle, and I don't remember what the other item was, but I did have these. I love that little fox. Isn't he cute? And then I did something on the back. I don't know if it was circle, and I don't think it was circle and lace. And then this is just a tag I made. I had the Tim Holtz tissue paper, and so I just made that one because that was fun.